doubts and fears behind. I raise my fist into the sky. The midnight air gives me a high. Oh, what a thrill to be alive. I've been holding my breath, fighting with all I had left. Now I'm never gonna stop, 'cause we're on top. Living it up at the top. This is our time. Let's turn it up. Living it up at the top. We'll never stop. Now that we're on top. Living it up at the top. We sacrificed, we paid our dues. Now we don't have a thing to lose. We'll walk on water if we choose. We'll scream at the top of our lungs. We'll stare directly at the sun. Our lives have only just begun. I've been holding my breath, fighting with all I had left. Now I'm never gonna stop, 'cause we're on top. Living it up at the top. This is our time. Let's turn it up. Living it up at the top. We'll never stop. Now that we're on top. Living it up at the top. I've been holding my breath, fighting with all I had left. Now I'm never gonna stop. Yeah, I've been holding my breath, fighting with all I had left. Now I'm never gonna stop, never gonna stop, never gonna stop. Living it up at the top. Living it up at the top. This is our time. Let's turn it up. Living it up at the top. Gonna live it up, gonna live it up. Gonna live it up, gonna live it up. Stop. Now that we're on top. Living it up at the top. Move like I know I really want it. You take it on the 10, but again I'm running with you. Time moves on, gotta roll it. When we're running from the beast, now we know it's time to make it. I'll never quit, I'm sick of it. And starting now, no one's stuck in the middle. Live my life how I feel. Set me free, now liberate me. I'm making me who I wanna be. Set me free, now liberate me. Let me see the fire in me now. Time moves on, gotta own it. Breaking down the walls that I built. It's time to get ready. Move if you know that you have it. Pushing on up to the dream that's ahead. It's time to liberate. Turning into someone that I always have. Getting hard on my heels. It's so nice being real. I'll never quit, I'm sick of it. And starting now, no one's stuck in the middle. Live my life how I feel.